In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find purchases on Whatnot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review what you've bought, check on order status, and see any community boosts you've made, all in just a few clicks. Start by opening Whatnot in your web browser, or launch the Whatnot app if you prefer mobile. Make sure you're signed into the account you used to make your purchases. If you're not signed in, the options you need won't appear, so take a second to log in before moving on. Once you're on the home page, shift your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. That's where your account controls live on desktop. You should see a small profile icon, often a circle showing your avatar or initials. This is your personal menu. If you don't immediately spot it, try maximizing your window or refreshing the page. On mobile, look for the profile icon or the profile tab at the bottom of the screen. The idea is the same, even though the layout is a bit different. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. This dropdown contains shortcuts to the most important parts of your account. Among those options, look for purchases. Go ahead and select purchases. That's the hub for everything you've bought on Whatnot. Inside purchases, you'll typically see two main areas, orders and community boost. Orders is where your bought items appear, whether they came from a live auction, a buy it now listing, or a marketplace purchase. Each order generally shows the item, the seller, the status, like paid, shipped, or delivered, and a timestamp. Selecting an individual order usually brings up more detail, such as tracking information once it's available, along with any relevant notes from the seller. If you're verifying delivery or preparing to leave feedback, this is the place to start. The Community Boost section is where you can view boost or contributions you've made to support creators or shows. Think of it as a record of how you've helped elevate streams or content beyond direct item purchases. It's useful if you like to keep track of your support across different broadcasts. If you don't see purchases in the menu, double check that you're on the right account and that you're fully signed in. A quick sign out and sign back in can refresh the menu. Keeping the app updated and clearing a stale browser session can also help. That's it. Go to Whatnot, open your profile menu in the top right, click purchases and review orders and community boost to stay on top of everything you've bought.